See question number 8. Question number 8. The question is, feed a straight line to the following data and from it estimate the value of y for the year 1998. We have information about 7 years, 1991 to 1997, and we know the value of y. This y may be anything like production, profit, sales, import, export, population, anything. So we want to find out the value of y for the next year 1998. Now the question is how to find out. It is clearly given that use the straight line, that means linear trend. See question number 7, which is also same like this. Fit a straight line to the following data. Here we have a data for 5 years. Question number 9, which is also same like this. We have a data for 5 years. So you can consider this two as your homework. If we do this question number 8, then you are able to do these two questions 7 and 9 by yourself. So let us start question number 8. The question is fit the straight line to the following data. So what we have to do in exam, question number 8, you have to start like this. Suppose y equal to a plus bx is the equation of wait for 1 minute. Okay, let us continue. I think there's some problem. Okay. Suppose y equal to a plus bx is the equation of straight line, or you can say that linear trend. Straight line or linear trend. So y equal to a plus bx is the equation of straight line or linear trend. Here a and b are constants. By using least square method that we already discussed in our previous lecture, by using least square method we get following two normal equations. Any of you know the two equations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sigma y is equal to n into a.
Y is equal to Na plus B sigma x and sigma
Perfect.
xy, and
Correct.
sigma y is equal to A sigma x plus B sigma x square.
Correct. Perfect. Perfect. So we have two normal equations. Now, after that, you have to start to find out the value of sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x square. And for that, you have to prepare the table. So we have a data year and value of y. 1991 to 1997. We have a data for this 7 years. Values of y. See the values of y: 80, 90, 92, 83, 94, 99 and 92. Now you can consider this year as x and this is y. So if we add this, we get sigma x. If we add this, we get sigma y. Then after we have to multiply x with y and then x square. And we have to add this value. So we get sigma xy and sigma x square. And we have a value of n equal to 7. There are 7 years. So put these values, once you calculate all these values, put this value in this two equation and solve that two equation, you will get the value of a and b. And once we get a and b, you can estimate the value of y for the given value of x. That is possible. But what is the main problem in this question? If we add this, we get a big number here. Similarly, square of this number 1991, square of that is also very big number. So the total of x square is also big number. So it's require much time to calculate the value of a and b if we keep this as a x. So instead of taking this as a x, you can consider this is your first year, this is second year, third year, and then you can consider that is your value of x. Means you can say that our x is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our x is nothing but here year minus 1990. So if we subtract 1990 from all these values, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 7. So this becomes more simple to calculate the value of A and B. So it's better to do like this. You can consider this as your first year, this is second year, third year, and now we have to estimate for the eighth year. That's it. So we get the value of y. So that is one simple way to calculate the value of A and B. But listen, here also instead of taking year x equal to year minus 1994, if we take some different value in such a way that the total of x becomes 0. So once we get total of x 0 means sigma x 0, what will happen? We get direct value of a from equation 1 and here we get direct value of b from equation 2. So value of A and B is very easy to calculate if sigma x is 0, and it is always possible to convert x years in such a way that we get value of sigma x 0, and that is always possible with one condition: when the years are at equal distance. When years are at equidistance means the gap interval between two years is same for all, then it is possible to convert sigma x equal to 0. Now the question is how? The answer is very easy. Instead of subtracting 1990, what we have to subtract? Any of you have idea?
1994.
Correct. 1994.
94.
Yes. If you subtract 1994, then we get this value 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, and in that case we get total of x0. So it reduces our calculation. Then after what we will do, x square and then x into y. X square means square of this. So we get the total of this, that is 28. Now x into y, this into this, minus 3 into 80 minus 240. 90 into minus 2 minus 180. Do the calculation, just add all these values. 92 into minus 1 we get minus 92. 83 into 0 is 0, then 94, then 99 twos are 198, and 92 threes are 99 twos are 198, 92 threes are 276. So add this value, you will get sigma y, sigma xy. Here we get sigma x square. What is the value of sigma y? Total of this. What is total of this?
630.
630. And what is total of xy?
56.
56. Okay. Now from equation 1, just substitute values. See our equation 1, sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x. Sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x, that is our equation 1. Sigma y is what? 630. So from equation 1 we get 630 equal to n is what? 7. 7a plus b into sigma x is what? 0. So 0 into anything is 0, so we get direct 630 equal to 7a. So we get a equal to 630 divided by 7, so we get a equal to 90. Okay, now do the calculation for B. So for that you require to use equation 2. From equation 2, what is our equation 2? Sigma xy equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. So sigma xy, that is what? 56. A into sigma x is 0 plus b into sigma x square is 28. Now 0 into anything is 0, so we get 56 equal to 28b. So we get b equal to 56 divided by 28. So we get b equal to 2. So now we have a value of a and b. A is 90, b is 2. So now the straight line is y equal to a plus bx, that is y equal to a is what? 90, b is what? 2, and x, that is nothing but here year minus 1994. So this is our final answer for the given question. Fit a straight line to the following data. So this is the fitted line, 90 plus 2 times year minus 1994. That is the answer. So y equal to 90 plus 2 times x minus 1994. Instead of x, it's better to write year. Instead of x, it's better to write year. So this is our final answer. And then we have to estimate the value of y for the year 1998. So taking year equal to 1998, we get y equal to 90 plus 2 times 1998 minus 1994. So we get y equal to 90 plus 2 into 4, that is 8. So y equal to 90 plus 8, that is 98. That is our final answer. So this is the way to fit a straight line. It's very simple, very easy. Now let us do one more example. Question number 11. See the question. Find straight line to the following data and forecast the sales for the year 1996. Here in this question we have 6 years. So see what is the main thing I required to give you idea about this question is how to convert these years into x so that sigma x becomes 0. That is the only main thing in this question. So let us do it. Question number 11. Once again you have to write the first paragraph, so no need to repeat that thing. Let us start to prepare table directly. Here and you can consider this is x and this one is y, but better to convert this year in such a way that we get the total of x0. Okay, so what information we have here? 1990 data for 1990 to 1995. Okay, and the value of y 12, 16, 20, 25, 29 and 36. Okay, now subtract something from here in such a way that we get total of x0. So what we have to subtract? Any of you have any idea?
1992.5.
Correct, absolutely right. 1992.5. Don't subtract 1992 or 1993, because if we subtract 1992 or 1993 we are not able to get total 0. Okay, it is not compulsory to get sigma x 0. It is not compulsory. In exam you can consider this is your first year, second year, third year, fourth, fifth, sixth. No problem at all. You will get the same answer and you will get full marks if your answer is correct. So no need, no compulsion to do like this only. So you have a liberty, but it's better if you want to reduce our work to subtract in such a way that so that we get sigma x equal to 0. Okay, so what we get here? We get minus 2.5, minus 1.5, minus zero point 0.5, plus zero point 0.5, plus 1.5 and plus 2.5. So now see the total of x is 0. So it reduces our work. But listen, in this is in fraction, in point. So sometimes maybe we made a mistake, no doubt, by using calculator. The chances are very rare, but still it's better to convert this into integer. Is there any way to convert this into integer? Any of you have any idea?
Divided by 0.1.
Divided by point,
1.
yeah, divided by 0.1. Just divide this by 0.1. That means multiplied by 10. Dividing by 0.1, anything, egg, any number, let us say a divided by 0.1. So a divided by 0.1, that is nothing but a divided by 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 1 divided by 10. And 1 divided by 10, you can take this 10 in numerator. So we get 10a. So dividing by 0.1 by a is same as multiplying a by 10. So in instead of dividing by 0.10 you can multiply it by 0.10. It's same thing. You divide by 0.5, 0.1, that is also valid, or multiply this by 10. So if we multiply it by 10 or if we divide by 0.1, it's same thing. We get here minus 25, minus 15, minus 5, plus 5, plus 15 and 25. So we get total 0 and the values are in integer. But see, all these values are divisible by 5. So better to divide this by 5. Now multiplied by 10 and dividing by 5, ultimately we have to multiply it by 2. So yeah, so instead of dividing by 0.5 or zero point 0.1 or multiplying by 10, it's better to multiply this by 2. So if you multiply this by 2, we get minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, plus 1, 3 and 5. So we get small value So our calculation becomes simple. So it's better to do like this. So what we do once again, see. See, this is not compulsory. Without doing that also you will get the same answer. But to reduce our work, it is better to do like this. So x is nothing but year minus 1992.5 divided by zero point 0.5. Now dividing by zero point 0.5, that is once again 5 divided by 10. And 5 by 10, that is nothing but 1 by 2. And this 2 you can take in numerator. So instead of dividing by zero point 0.5, it's better to write into 2. So what we get here? So now see, do the calculation. 1990 minus 1992.5, that is minus 2.5 into 2, we get minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, and we get total 0. So now the calculation becomes much simple. With this value we get here 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. At this value, we get sigma x square. So it is 70. Okay, x into y. X into y. So we get minus 60, minus 48, minus 20, plus 25, 87.
Sir,
प्रकृति की कठिनाइयों को दिल तो नहीं देते।
sir, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Sir, you are muted.
sir, we are not able.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, yes, please tell me what is sigma y
138.
and
Sir, we
sigma x?
can't see slide.
Okay, okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let us continue. What is sigma xy?
164.
164.
164. Okay. Now let us start to calculate the value of A and B. So from 1, once again, our first equation is like this. Substitute all values. Sigma y 138 equal to n is 6 into A plus B into sigma x, that is what, 0. So we get 6a equal to 138. So a equal to 138 divided by 6, what is it?
23.
23. From 2, our equation 2 is sigma xy equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Now sigma xy is 164 equal to a into sigma x is 0 plus b into sigma x square is 70. So we get 164 equal to 70 times a. So A equal to 164 divided by 70. What is it?
2.34.
2.34.
2.34. Yes.
That should be B.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you are right. So value of B is 2.34 and A is 23. Substitute this value in equation. So now the linear trend is, or you can say that straight line is y equal to a plus bx, that is y equal to a is 23 plus b, that is 2.34, and x, that is nothing but 2 times year minus 1992.5. So you can write like this, or you can write like this. See, 2 into 2.34, that is 4.68 times year minus 1992.5. So both are valid answer. Both are valid. So either you can write this as your final answer or this as your final answer. Both are valid. Now listen.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, again, you are muted, sir. Yes, sir.
In that case, your value of B becomes 4.68. That is the only difference. But ultimately, you will get final answer. Now, what we have to do here? Estimate the value of sales for the year 1996. So, taking year equal to 1996. So, let us substitute value 1996 in place of year. Y equal to 23 plus 4.68 into, here we get 3.5. Do the calculation and tell me the value.
16.38 plus 23.
39.
Yes, so 39.38, that is the value of y, estimated value of y. Now listen, actually if you use regression line for this data, you will get same value of a and b. Just for your knowledge, let us discuss that part. Just for your knowledge, let us discuss that part. See, here we have a two equation, sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x, that is our equation 1, and second equation is sigma xy equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. This is our equation 1, equation 2. Now let us solve these two equations. See the coefficient of A here. Coefficient of A is what? N. And here coefficient of A is what? Sigma x. So let us multiply this equation 1 by sigma x and equation 2 by N. Let us do that thing. So just multiply this equation 1 by sigma x. So what we get? Sigma x into sigma y. That is left hand side of equation 1. Here n a sigma x plus b, and then sigma x into sigma x, that is nothing but sigma x
X
the whole.
whole square.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
you are muted.
Yes, please. Okay, now multiply this equation 2 by n. So if we multiply 2 by n, what we get? N sigma xy equal to, if we multiply it by n, we get n a sigma x is already there, plus here we get n b sigma x square. So we have two equations. Now see the coefficient of a. Now you can change the sign of either first equation or second equation. So better let us change the sign of first equation and do the subtraction like this minus this. So obviously this is Na sigma x and this is minus Na sigma x, so it will be cancelled. And this minus this, what we get? This minus this, we get n sigma xy minus what we get? Sigma x sigma y equal to, do this minus this, so what we get? Nb sigma x square minus b sigma x the whole square. So what we get here? N sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y, and you can take b common from this. B common from this, we get n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Now you can take this value in another side, you will get the value of b. So what we get? B equal to this as it is, n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon, if we take this in another side, we get n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square, and that is, you know, that nothing but byx. That is the formula of byx. So obviously if you use the concept of regression for this question, you will get the same answer. Even your see your our first equation from 1, our first equation is what? Sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x. Now divide each term by n. Divide each term by n. If we divide this by n, now we know that sigma y upon n, sigma y upon n, that is nothing but y bar equal to, if we cancel n, we get a, and this keep b as it is, and sigma x upon n, sigma x upon n, you get x bar. Now take this b and x bar in another side, so we get a equal to, if we take this in another side, we get a equal to y bar minus bx bar, and we know that that is a formula of a in regression. So ultimately these two equations are same like your regression line, but the way of calculation is different. So you can solve the same question by using regression, but what is the disadvantage of our regression line? It is not possible to solve this question number 17 by using concept of regression. Reason? It is not the linear trend, it is given that second degree parabola. So how to do this, how to solve this question, that we will discuss in our next lecture. So you can consider this question number 12, 13 in homework. It is not necessary to do the homework, but if you solve this question and if you find any difficulty, we will discuss in our next lecture. Here you can see in question number 10, the distance between these two is same and the gap is 2. So it's better to divide the year, this, instead of x, you can write x equal to this year minus 1996, that is a middle year, and divided by, sorry, 1986, and divided by 2. And if we divide it by 2, we get here we get different values of x, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it reduces our calculation. But it is not compulsory to do like that. You can solve by any of the method, you will get the same answer. So this is enough for today. In our next lecture, we will discuss how to fit a second degree parabola. So if you have any question, any doubt up to this, you can ask your doubt.